Hello again, Old Man Tech here. What you see before you is my self-contained spray booth. I can store the unit and set it up in only a few minutes when needed. There is nothing unique about the booth itself, as there are many videos on how to make one. Thanks to the many of you who created your own paint booths, I was able to make mine. However, how I vented the booth may be of interest to some that may have a similar sliding window such as the one I have in my basement. At the end of the video, I will show how quickly I can set it up for use. As many have done, I used a cheap, clear tote and installed a bath vent fan at the back. I elevated the fan with wood to attach at the back of the tote and used Gorilla Tape to secure and seal the other sides of the box. I then used a hot knife to remove an opening to the fan. Next, I added string lights and a furnace filter. Finally, I cut a piece of Paulson polycarbonate sheet using a fine-tooth jigsaw blade to cut out the hole for the vent and match the height of the sliding window. Do not use regular plexiglass for this step, as it may crack and break during cutting and drilling. I used a 3-inch to 4-inch adapter to connect to the exhaust fan. I also wanted a dedicated venting for the booth, but did not want to put another hole in the wall, thus the window vent. Now I will show how quickly I can set up the paint booth for use.
Okay, all I have to do is open the window to begin with, of course. Secure the window open. And we'll slide the slider open. Stick the vent in the window. Close that up. Hook her up to the fan. Plug in the lights. Plug in the exhaust. And we're ready to go. There you have it. I hope this helps somebody that may have the same circumstances that I have. So, there you go. Old Man Tech out.